Hi guys, I'm Monica from wphope.com and today we are going to see how you can create a backup of your website. Suppose you have lost your data and you want to have them back, but that's not possible. If you had kept the backup of your data, then you would have retrieved them. I'm talking about backup. You might be thinking, what is backup? It simply means saving a copy of your website. If you have a backup, then you just store the backup and you will get your data back, which will let your site work again and will look exactly as it was when taking a backup. So watch this video till end about taking a backup so that you can never lose your work. Okay, let's get started. This is our website and we want to take a backup of it. So for that, we have to install a backup plugin called Updraft. For that, let's go to our dashboard. And now you have to go to Plugins, then Add New. Type here Updraft. And this is the Updraft plugin. Then we have to install it. Now it is successfully installed. Let's activate it. Now you can see this plugin has been successfully installed and has been added to our dashboard. And now in order to take a backup of your website, let's go to the setting option. And then scroll down. Here you can see the option of backup now. Click on it and make sure that these all are ticked and now I just want to backup it. So let me allow this option to be ticked and now let me back up now. Wait for a while, it is requesting to start a backup. So now we have successfully backed our website. You can see here, there in the existing backup, you can see one backup which was taken in today's date. And now the question arises that how do you use this backup? Okay, by mistake you changed something on your site and you want to go back. So at the time, how can you use your backup? Let's try that. Here we are in this page option and suppose you delete this home page. Let us delete it. Here the home page is deleted. Let us go to our website and refresh it. Here you can see no all home page is there and only these all contents are displayed here. So now you want to get your home page back. So what can be done? Let's go to our this dashboard and then go to plugins. Here then you can see the Updraft and go to this setting option. And just scroll it down. Here you can see the option of restore. Just click on this restore. Here you will reach. Just click all these. And just click on next. Okay. Then again restore. And finally your data has been restored. It is successfully restored. And let's return to the Updraft configuration page. Okay, now let's again go to our site and refresh there. You can see home page is back with us and we have restored our backup. Okay, this is how we can get our site back. Wait, the video is not over. You might be thinking, now I have learned how to take a backup and apply it in case of data crash. But how can you say that once stored backup is sufficient for your data loss? I think you didn't get it. Let me explain it in a simple way. Suppose today you take a backup of your data and then today and tomorrow, after tomorrow, you just go on making some changes over there. And after some few weeks of working on your site, your website crashes. What will happen then? You will lose all of the changes which was made during those weeks. Then if you will go for restoring your backup, you will only get the backup of today. However, you want to get the backup of those weeks. So sometimes we don't remember of taking regular backup. In order to avoid this, we can set up a backup schedule. So to set up our automatic backup schedule, here in this Updraft plugin, go to this setting option and then scroll down and again go to this setting option. Here you can see file backup schedule and data backup schedule. When you will click over this drop down arrow, you can see here several options. Let me click here weekly. Also let me choose here weekly. And here make 4. Here also 4. Actually what this setting means, it will take one backup every week and will keep that backup for 4 weeks, so you can have backup for last 4 weeks. Now next what we need to do is, we need to choose where to store our backup. So for that, let me scroll down. I want to choose it in Google Drive. So let me click on it. So after choosing that, let me go here down and click here Save Changes. After this pop-up menu appears and here it has asked to follow this link to authorize your access to Google Drive. So let me click on it. And now I'm choosing my Google account. Let me allow this access. And finally, in order to complete the setup, let me click on Complete Setup. And now here you can see one message that your authentication Google Drive has been successful and now your backup will be stored in your Google Drive. So now the automatic backup setup is now completed. So now our site will be backed up automatically and it's safe from crashes. So I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching and also keep watching our other videos related to WordPress. Do subscribe this channel and we'll see you next video.